Okay, go. Hi!
Hi! I love to ballet!
Ito ang vacation house na ni-rent namin for the summer, located sa Fenwick Island. Sure, why not? Hi, Rizzy! Rizzy! Ikuti! Gandang baby! Aray ko! Rizzy! Hi! Ay! Tukladang bata ito. Ganda ng kitchen nila, oh. Parang kitchen natin, kaso mas lamang ng 1/4.
Ano yung cabinet na mataas?
Oh, yung cabinet maganda, mataas.
Pero wala bang taas sa countertop, yeah.
Oh, lamang tayo dyan. Kawa ka naman eh. Isi! Hey! Hi! Oh, so see? Pag mayaman ng style. Pakita natin itong labas. Ito ang sandroom. So, see, sandroom. Maganda yung view doon. May beach doon. Ha? Ano? Mukha mo. Mukha po. Andun, may water doon. Oo, lakad. Doon ka lang. Huwag ka sunod na sunod. Daddy, just serious. Bantay mo. Tignan natin yung room. First room. Guest room. May bath din. Huwag sa'yo. Maganda yung view nila. Yung pool. Where's the pool? Community. And then, pakita natin yung room. Master bedroom. Doon kami matutulog. There you go. The master bedroom.
What is that? Is that a book?
Armoire.
Oh, I want to
Lagyan
read
ng
here.
TV.
I want to read ako dito.
Yan. May powder room pa. And then, next, may shower. May jacuzzi. Ito, walk-in closet. Tara, punta tayo sa baba. Sana, baka mahulog ka. Halika dito. Come on. Dahan-dahan ka lang. Dahan-dahan kang bumaba. Baka mahulog ka. Walang aakyat. Walang aakyat. Video ko lang yung baba. Bawal bumaba. Bawal. Ako lang. No. Bawal na. Bawal na. Bawal na. No. Ikaw nahulog. Saglit lang. I-video ko lang itong baba. Okay? This is the garage. It's closed. Then, another bedroom. Full bath. And then, pull-out bed or day bed. And then, slipper sofa. And then, or deck. Yun yung view ulit doon. Nandun ulit yung beach. See, that's so nice. Ano yung ilaw dito? Ito pala. Hi.